Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a photo with the girl crush pictorial style on CapCut. So first, just add the photo that you want to add it into the style, and just go to the photo effect, click on effect, photo effects, or you can also just go to style. Now click on the AI photo category. Okay, this AI photo, and find the girl cross pictorial, this one. So just click on that and wait for CapCut to generate the style to the photo. Now the style has been applied, and the photo from this will now looks like this. It will change into the style. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.